The faculty members that we're going to be working with are Dr. Hasibi and Dr. Umans. If we do a Google search on Dr. Hasibi, you can see that all of these very official looking hits come up. Dr. Hasibi has his own Wikipedia page, many videos, including his talks, and you can see he's been a distinguished speaker at many different locations. And so if we look at his Wikipedia page, you can see a little bit about his history and the different institutions that he's worked at, including Bell Laboratories and Stanford University and Caltech. And if we continue on, you could see a little bit more about his research interests and his research areas. Although Dr. Hasibi is a professor of electrical engineering, he has done much work in computer science theory, right, information theory, and random matrices, and so these are all what I would consider as like not being electrical engineering. From the classes that I've taken, all the work that he's done here, it seems that it would more fall under the category of computer science. And if we go ahead and look at YouTube and drop his name in a search, you can see these different videos that he's been a lecturer, during which he's been a lecturer, and you go ahead and click on them and it'll have your head spinning because of what a high level it seems that he's operating at. And if we go ahead and look at this page here, Semantic Scholar, you can see how many citations or highly influential citations that he's had. And what does that mean? It means that somebody has published a piece of work in a scientific journal and they cited or used an uncovered fact or insight that Dr. Hasibi has published in a previous article. And so this is one way that a researcher can be judged on how influential they are to their area of study. And so here we have Dr. Chris Uman, right? Drop him into Google, and you can see many similar types of web pages. He has a Wikipedia as well. And if you take a look here, you can see his interests are theoretical computer science and algebraic complexity and algorithms. And it seems that Dr. Umans is a mathematician who's applying his expertise towards establishing different characteristics to how information can be sent over a channel. And if we go ahead and click on the next page, we can see a couple of his research interests, which include algebraic algorithms, which is what he presented during the big group meeting that we had in the College and Career Center, and coding theory. And hopefully this is going to be something that some of you gravitate towards and find an interest in. And if we go ahead and look at his Wikipedia page, you can see a little bit more about his background. Went to Berkeley. Is currently a professor at Caltech. And if we look here at Google Scholar, you could see how many citations he's had. And this one here states at 2,500. And you can see all of them as we scroll your way down. All right, and so those are the two professors that we're going to be working with, and if you're not impressed, you should be, and hopefully it'll be a fun time.